I'm gonna make this. God, yeah, I can hear it. Can you hear it? I can hear that. Yeah, I have the voice. Yeah, I have the voice.
It's the same part of your finger.
Yeah. God, yeah. It says whoa.
Yep.
Oh, what did you tell it's come from? The water vibration?
It's the vibration that goes through the glass that causes the sound.
That's causing the sound.
Yes, it works better with crystal. Crystal will make it even louder because it vibrates and it's even better.
That's amazing. And why I can do it?
It takes practice.
Yeah, but I remember I do it once.
Level your hand out a little bit.
Huh?
Hold your finger like this, look. And run it around.
That's hard, but it's really sound.
You know what? Isn't it easier to the less liquid there is, the better.
You are the expert, okay? You
But it's got to be a thinner glass.
Yeah. It's gonna be really. No, that one don't have a sound. Yeah.
No, I called my father. Actually, come on. You want to hear brandy glass? No, just the brandy glass.
This look like a miracle, man. This is amazing. You can hear it? Can you hear it? By the way, we are here at
Here.
Oh my God.
Oh, there, I hear it.
Yeah, I can hear it too. That's loud. That's really loud.
I think it's better if there's less liquid in it. I can get it to go.
Oh my God. Wow, that's really good. I can hear it. I can hear it. I can really hear it. This is Mall of Asia, and we are just. It's 1 o'clock, 1 hour after the New Year, 2011. Whoa!
I couldn't get it to go.
That's loud.
That's really loud. Bye, guys.